Hi and welcome to Carnegie and our presentation on Transtema. My name is Markus Almerud. I'm an analyst here at the bank. So Transtema installs, maintains and services communication networks such as mobile and fixed phones as well as fiber networks. We have a fair value range of 29 to 33 Swedish krona. The investment case in short is that we expect growth in three dimensions over time: adjacent product groups, new customers and new geographies. The market has been difficult, but there are positive signs. We believe the market has troughed, and we believe the company has proven agile in these difficult times. The margin has turned a corner, and new business should compensate for the accelerated closure of the copper network. This should be enough for normalization of the valuation, and as markets stabilize, we expect to go back to growth mode. We're here to give a follow-up after Q4 and to dig a little bit into charging infrastructure. Q4 was continuously difficult with double-digit negative organic growth, a combination of lackluster markets and accelerated closure of Telia's copper network was behind the negative numbers. If we look forward, there are signs of improving markets. Examples include won contracts and a high number of invites to tenders. There are also a number of larger contracts that should compensate for the copper network closure. These include 150 million krona over 3 years from Telia Towers and supply of technical installations to a large telco operator for 300 million kronas over 3 years. And as the negative pressure on organic growth abates, the margin trend should continue to improve. We have also dug into charging infrastructure. There was a significant growth in the number of charging stations in 2023. Even though the number caught up somewhat with the number of electrical vehicles, the number of EVs kept growing. We expect a pause in EV growth in 2024, but we believe this is temporary. In the meantime, kan vi köra om den här från början, den här grafen? We have also dug into charging infrastructure. There was a significant growth in the number of charging stations in 2023. Even though the number caught up somewhat with the number of electrical vehicles, the number of EVs also kept growing. We do expect a pause in EV growth in 2024, but we believe this is temporary. In the meantime, regulatory demands will drive growth in charging stations. AFIR, Alternative Fuels Infrastructure Regulations, was passed by European Council in July 2023, and from 2025 there should be charging stations every 60 kilometers along the Trans-European transportational network. There is also demand for 1.3 kilowatts for EVs and 0.8 kilowatts for hybrids, pushing charging to keep up with the growth in vehicles. In short, we expect the market for charging infrastructure will remain strong, and this is becoming an important market for Transtema. A couple of words on valuation. We continue to note the gap between share price and earnings. The last time the share price was at current levels, Transtema made about half of the amount of earnings they do now. We expect valuation to normalize as operations do, and as they go back to growth mode, we think we will be able to close the gap between earnings and the share price. So in summary, Transtema is a share which has suffered from difficult markets, but markets have turned a corner. The company has proven agile and the margin trend has turned. We expect these trends to continue in 2024. Thank you.